I had a thought which I wanted to share. One of the false notions which some have accepted is that they expect not to face difficulties in this world if they obey Allah, the Exalted. First of all, the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, goes beyond the few obligatory duties, such as the 5 daily obligatory prayers, and involves using all the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. The one who behaves in this manner will be granted peace of mind and body in both worlds. Chapter 16 and now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
And chapter 13 Ar-Ra'd, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace.
But this does not mean one will not face tests in the form of difficulties. This is inevitable, as this is the very purpose of living in this world. Chapter 67 Al-Mulk, verse 2.
He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is better indeed.
But the one who sincerely obeys Allah, the Exalted, will be granted peace of mind and body, even when they face difficulties. They will be granted the strength to deal with the difficulty so that they overcome it both mentally and physically, while maintaining obedience to Allah, the Exalted, at all times. This is similar to a patient who has been anesthetized so that they do not feel the pain of a medical procedure. On the other hand, the one who does not obey Allah, the Exalted, will also face difficulties. But in their case, they will not be granted peace of mind or body during it. They will not have the mental or physical strength to overcome it, and as a result they will continue to disobey Allah, the Exalted, without connecting their disobedience to their difficulties. Instead, they will wrongfully blame the cause of their difficulties on things and people, such as their relatives and friends. This will cause them further problems, as they will attempt to remove these things from their lives. They will attempt to escape their difficulties through worldly things, such as entertainment, drugs and alcohol. But all these things will only increase their anxiety, stress and depression. They will thus continue to live a dark and constricted life, even if they have the world at their feet. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life.
This outcome is quite evident when one observes the news and social media. To conclude, each person will face tests and difficulties, but through their choice and behavior, they will either obtain peace of mind and body in both worlds or obtain a difficult and dark life in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.